Hi everyone, I'm here today doing a tutorial on one of my favorite makeup brands. Brand I've tried but not in the most recent past, but when I got this package I was so excited because I've already been planning it in my head. Armani Beauty is just the standard when it comes to face products. They're known in the beauty industry, in the makeup artist world, as being the best face products. Specifically, the Luminous Glow line. It just works for all skin types and makes you look amazing. It's known for bridal makeup and making your skin look glowy and flawless, which is what everyone wants in general, especially on a wedding day. So I'm going to be reviewing these products, talking through them, the foundation, concealer, and primer, and doing a tutorial on my face makeup today, show you guys how I create this look and what I think of the products as I apply them and some application tips. The whole line of Luminous Glow products are supposed to unleash your inner glow with Armani Beauty's Luminous Silk Glow Trio. So used together, 3 products that create the iconic Armani Glow, which I have right now. The Luminous Silk Foundation, Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Concealer, and the Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. Iconic Armani Glow is a makeup philosophy that allows each person's unique beauty to shine through, which is what I'm all about. Enhancing rather than masking, again, what I'm all about. You'll see in the tutorial how little product I use. The Armani Glow creates a flawless, natural looking complexion to reveal the best of oneself, which is 100% true, and that really aligns with my beauty statement. Combining all these 3, they're supposed to act together in synergy and be effortlessly blendable, which they are. Primer, I mostly use matte primers, ones that kind of block oil and just kind of matte the face. That's kind of what most primers do. But this one, I was pleasantly surprised. It's got a little tint to it, but it's very light. It really feels like skincare, like a glazing milk toner on the skin. That's what it reminds me of. So I really just apply it like skincare kind of, and it just instantly makes your skin glow, but it's prepping your skin for makeup for it to last all days. I'm already sold because of the whole skincare aspect. I didn't really think primers were like that, so this proved me wrong, and this is now one of my new favorite primers. And for going into the summer, for those warmer, hot days, I will be applying this so that my makeup lasts and looks perfectly glowy. It's not going to be oily looking. It's going to look flawless. This is a must. The Armani Beauty Luminous Silk foundation. It's known in the beauty community as just being the best, and it really is. I have yet to try anything that's really better than this. It just doesn't get better. You need such a little amount. It blends in, like you can't even see that. It blends into the skin flawlessly, looks exactly like skin texture and skin finish. So it's kind of that satin finish that just looks like your skin but better. It evens out so amazingly. Like it gives you the most even, flawless coverage and look to the skin. I honestly will never get excited about a foundation like I do this one. It's just the absolute best for natural, long-lasting, flawless-looking makeup. I think it's worth splurging and saving your money. Don't buy any other face makeup. Save your money. Maybe wait for the Sephora sale. Buy the Luminous Silk, Giorgio Armani. I promise you, you won't regret it and you won't go back. They also have a concealer, which I was excited about because that is new to me. I have not tried their concealer. I got 4.75. I like to use concealer before I go in with foundation so that I don't use that much product, unnecessary product built on top of each other. I just place it where it's needed and blend it all together. So this concealer, same idea. It's a little bit more glowy, maybe not. I mean, you can't even see these products on my skin when I blend them out because that's how amazing they are in color, in formula, and in high quality ingredients, finish. Like there's no point in me even doing swatches because it just blends into the skin, which is what we want. It's like magic in a bottle. It just makes your skin all of a sudden, you can see the difference. I guess you can kind of look flawless. I'm so excited to show you guys this tutorial because I feel so passionately about these products and love them so much. I want to share my tips. I really hope you guys try some of these because you'll be just as obsessed as I am. So the first step obviously is the hydrating primer. I'm not a huge primer girl, but love trying new products and trying new techniques all the time. I'm definitely in that kind of zone right now, so I'm excited to apply this and see how it wears on the skin. Gorgeous packaging, as you would expect. This primer is interesting. It's definitely texture that's more like skincare, I would say. I was gonna apply it with a brush, but now I'm rethinking that, and I think I'm gonna apply it like skincare. I like to dab it into the skin like this to kind of not like go in the pores, but I like it to seep in because it is so fluid and glowy in consistency. I can tell already that it's going to make the skin look dewy and glowy, but maintain that flawless finish to the skin. I really like how this feels and applies on the skin. I like how it looks. Some primers are kind of thick and heavy, so I like how kind of seamless and glowy this one is. I have a feeling this is going to be my go-to glowy primer. The next step will be the concealer. That's what I like to go in with. I like to go in with a concealer and then foundation, just so I don't have to actually use that much foundation on my skin. I like to use less product, less makeup. A stunning package, matte, high quality. I have the color 4.75. It has a kind of unique applicator. It's a doe foot, like a version, but it kind of looks like a blade at the end. It's got a unique shape to it, so that's probably just for precision and putting it in these kind of corner areas on the face. Kind of where I like to place my concealer. Next step I like to do in my makeup routine is actually bronzer to limit and reduce the amount of actual makeup we wear on the face. Using my Patrick Ta contour brush, it's my favorite contour brush. The cream side, which is like a small little bit, and my NARS Laguna 2 cream bronzer, which is the most high pigment bronzer that I own. Add a little bit on my nose. Have to do a nose contour. What a difference that makes. The Luminous Silk foundation. I have used this foundation several times over the years. I already know how this wears and it's just stunning, and you need such a little amount, especially with the underpainting I have going on. I'm using shade 4.5, which is the perfect shade. A Rare Beauty foundation brush. I'm just going to apply over top, a little bit over top of that concealer and bronzer, and just blend it kind of all together in kind of a central direction, making sure to blend quite well under the eye. Really barely need any to have a flawless look to the skin that's just like airbrushed and will last all day. There are just no face products that beat Armani Beauty. There just are not. I'm going to add a little more for the other side of my face because I like literally use, you can't even see it, a drop. I'm going to go in and finish out this glowy summer makeup look and give you guys my final thoughts on these Armani Beauty makeup products. This is my final natural glowy skin look using Armani Beauty Luminous Glow products, the foundation, concealer, and primer. I absolutely love how this turned out. As you can see, my skin is so glowy, but also so set in place. You can just tell it's gonna last the rest of my day into the evening. I'm starting to move over to using primers because I am finding they really enhance the face products, amplify how they're gonna look, and make them last, give them that longevity. So I'm really excited that I got to show you how this all ended up looking. I absolutely love it. These are the top-notch, top of the line, the best of the best you can get for face makeup products. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. Same handle. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.